welcome back. It's a weekday and I'm preparing dinner. An easy but a comforting one. I'm preparing fried fish with my Cold Trinity Salad. The fish is spiced and it is fried till crisp. And the salad is my take on a very traditional coleslaw. I call it Trinity as it has 3 greens. It's a perfect combination of spice, crisp and tart. So let's check out how I make it. Here I've taken a basa fish, which is a fillet, completely boneless. And I'm going to cut them into 3 equal size pieces. This is a lot of moisture, so I'm going to lay each piece on a paper towel or a kitchen towel. I have 4 of these fillets, which are perfect for a family of 4, and I'm going to cut them into 3 pieces. Now these are 12 pieces. Now take a kitchen towel or a paper towel and dab them to take off all the moisture. Now I'll keep them aside. Now I'm going to start with the marinade. In a bowl, take some garlic paste, some ginger paste, some red chili powder, some turmeric. This is according to your spice level. Now I am taking juice of 1 lemon. You can take more lime juice if you prefer more tangy. Now add in some salt and some oil. Give it a good mix. Now this is the marinade for the fish. It's a masala paste. Now in a container where you're going to marinate the fish, smear all the masala paste or the marinade and put each piece one by one and coat each of the fish piece with the marinade. Make sure you coat every piece, and once you're done, cover it and keep it aside. Marinate it for at least an hour. Now I'm going to start with the salad. Now I've taken a half head of a cabbage, 1 green bell pepper, 2 spring onions. Now shred the cabbage finely. Keep that aside in a bowl. Now take 1 green bell pepper. Take off all the white pith from the inside and chop them into small cubes. Really small pieces, something like this small. Now add them into the cabbage mix, and now I'm going to start chopping the spring onions. Chop them finely. Now this is your Trinity salad. And I'm going to make the dressing for that. So in a bowl, take some sour cream, some mayonnaise, some apple cider vinegar, some sugar or some sweetener, some salt as much as you prefer, some black pepper. Give it a good mix. Add in some almond milk. You can take any milk that you want and pour this into the greens and mix well. I forgot to add some mustard. Now this is some yellow mustard, but you can take some stone ground mustard, some whole grain mustard. It just adds a punch to the mix. Now cover it and refrigerate it till we are ready. Now this is these are the flours that I'm going to use for coating. This is the semolina, it's coarse, and this is the rice flour. You can get both these ingredients in the Indian grocery store. Now mix them well. Now you can skip this step altogether if you don't want too many carbs. Now this is the marinated fish. I'm going to coat each fish piece with this flour. It's going to be coated very thinly. You'll just see that you don't need all this. I've taken half cup of each flour, but you don't really require all of this. Just coat it well. Now this is just going to help the fish to crisp up. So see how thinly coated it is. So you don't need too much of the flour. You're just going to help it to crisp. See how much I'm left with. Yeah. Now this is the oil. I've taken grapeseed oil for frying the fish. Heat the oil, and you want the flame to be medium to high heat. Don't fry the fish on low heat, as it will absorb a lot of oil and it will get very soggy. We want crisp fish. So fry both the sides till they are nice golden brown and crisp. Remove them and lay them on the paper towel. And now they are ready to be served. So I've taken some spring green mix which I've tossed with olive oil and some salt, pepper and some lime juice. Now this is our dinner for today. It's ready to be served. I've served the fish and the salad with some green spring mix and some slices of lemon. The freshness of the lemon and the greens is going to cut the greasiness of the fish. So this makes a perfect combination of crisp, spice and tart. It's a great dinner, very easy. Do try it out, and thanks for watching.